How do you version control AI models when integrating AI into existing projects? Imagine trying to keep track of different versions of a recipe you keep changing. Now, think about doing that with AI models that are much more complex. When you add AI into existing projects, managing versions of your models becomes a key part of the process. It helps you stay organized, reproduce results, and make improvements smoothly. First, you need a clear plan for version control from the start. Unlike regular software, AI models include large binary files like model weights and datasets that are hard to track with simple tools. So, use specialized tools made for machine learning. These tools can handle big files and keep track of metadata like training parameters and evaluation scores. Keep your code, data, and models separate but linked. Store your source code, like model architecture and training scripts, in a traditional version control system like Git. Use data versioning tools to track changes in datasets because data quality impacts how well your model performs. Save trained models and their details in a dedicated model versioning system. Linking these parts makes it easy to reproduce a specific model version by knowing exactly which code, data, and settings were used. Use clear naming and tagging conventions. Assign meaningful version numbers or tags that describe what the model does, the data it used, and how well it performs. This helps you quickly identify the best models and keep track of different iterations. Automate version control with continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. Every time you change code or data, the system can automatically retrain and save a new model version. This reduces errors and keeps your repository up to date. Record detailed metadata about each training run. Include information like the environment, dataset version, hyperparameters, and evaluation results. This makes debugging easier and helps you understand how your models behave over time. Use branching strategies similar to software development. Experiment with different model settings on separate branches, then merge successful ones back into the main branch after testing. Leverage tools like data version control, MLflow, Neptune AI, or ML metadata libraries. These platforms are designed to manage models and data alongside code, making collaboration and tracking simpler. After deploying your model, keep monitoring its performance and version status. Automated alerts can notify you if performance drops, prompting retraining or rolling back to a previous stable version. In practical terms, start by putting your code in Git. Use a data versioning tool to track datasets. Train your model and save the artifact with a unique version tag in a model registry. Automate this process so that any change in code or data creates a new version. Document every change with clear messages and metadata logs. When you deploy, specify exactly which model version you are using, so you can easily revert if needed. This approach makes your AI components manageable and traceable, just like the rest of your project. It allows for smoother updates, better collaboration, and reliable deployment. Using these methods, integrating AI into existing projects becomes more straightforward, giving you confidence in your AI-powered development process.